MT off-road here on another adventure. Today we are up at the Morrison Jeep Trail on top of Beartooth Highway in Wyoming, south of Red Lodge, Montana. If you haven't been up here, you got to check this out. This is my first time running down this road, but it's supposed to be pretty fun. Nice long trail down and up. You can make it a down and have somebody pick you up at the bottom, but don't have that option today, so it's going to be down and back up down to the Clarks Fork River, then back up across the meadows by Sawtooth Lake. We're just going to enjoy our ride. Snail, rocking it! Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. All right, well, you know what, I did my best here. We were heading down Morrison Jeep Trail. First time I've ever been on this, and I still didn't get to complete it because cruising down a flat section of road, no rocks, no bumps, no nothing whatsoever. Check that out. Look at this. Coming down that section of trail, and look at this. Upper ball joint, gone. Lower A-arm bolt, gone. Best guess is that lower A-arm bolt snapped, which sent the front of it down. Thank you, Jesus. I got signal right here, and I got that Gilbert plate. Snapped the axle shaft, either that or just pulled it out, one of the two. I'll have to figure that out when I can get this thing in the air. But look where I'm at. I am miles from anywhere. Anywhere. But God shows up at the greatest time. I wasn't here more than 3 minutes. And what comes over that hill? Brand new General XP and a 4-seat Can-Am also. How does that happen? This is Wednesday, or actually Thursday, middle of the week. I am 50 miles from the nearest town. Front end falls off, and two side-by-sides come over that hill and are going to give me a ride back to my truck so I can come get my machine out of here. That's divine intervention if I ever seen it right there. So I'm going to hang out, eat some beef jerky, drink some water, enjoy the view, And I broke down in the one spot on this trail, I actually have a little bit of cell phone signal. I mean, if it's gonna happen, what better place, right? Anyway, big Snail down again with the same A-arm broke off. Then again, it's probably my fault. Maybe I should have replaced that bolt in there too when it broke the first time. I bet that bolt got weakened and now it just finally snapped. My bad, lesson learned, but hey, can't do anything about it. No use getting upset. All I can do is get myself out of here to help with these people that are coming back. I'll catch you back at the truck. This is a fun little rock too. Well, almost made it back to the parking lot thanks to some good help from the off-road community.
Yes.
This is Pam and Keith, and they have saved my butt. I mean, because Big Snail is way back there. And got the parts off, got some parts showed up, another friend of mine brought him in. But I just want to thanks again to Pam and Keith for getting me out of this thing, and a friend of mine, Andrew's going to give me a ride back in. Anybody's looking for a machine, this General is a beast. General XP is a beast. See that Can-Am back there? We just drug that thing for miles full of people up some rocks. This General's a beast. Go get yourself one. Anyway, we'll get back to Big Snail and get this thing fixed up. It'll probably be dark when we get out of here, but thanks again for the ride out, everyone. Okay. Now you're going to start climbing up a rock on this side, so you're going to be all right. Nice. Perfect. Finally getting out of here in the dark. Morning, and I am back home finally. Got home about midnight last night. Talk about a little adventure. We'll say don't go out on trails by yourself, but I end up doing that a lot as a shift worker, so it is what it is. Prepared to walk, hoping I didn't have to. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you again to the off-road community. Thank you again to Keith and Pam for getting me back out of there and giving me a ride back out to where I could get some help. And I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the names of the friends and family that were in the Can-Am with us, but I want to give them a big thank you too, and it was so nice meeting every one of you. I hope things work out really well for that Can-Am. It's nothing major, just a simple fix. I hope things go back together good. And I just want to say, you know, we give each other grief in the off-road community, whether it's side-by-sides or trucks, whatever, Polaris versus Can-Am, Chevy versus Ford, whatever. You know what, we're all in this together. This is a community that pulls together in times of need. And it's just fun to tease each other, but they're all great machines. It's all a lot of fun. It's just a matter of what suits your personality, what fits what you need most. So get out there and keep riding with each other. Machines don't matter. Let's tease each other. Let's have fun. But, you know, most importantly, let's just continue to be good to each other. And so I just wanted to say that we got this thing out last night. 8 o'clock at night, I finally got it back together on the trail and drove it out. And my Andrew, my friend that came in and got me, another lifesaver. I mean, a lot of people pulled together for me for this one, which I'm so thankful for. He stopped down at Polaris, picked me up 2 new ball joints and a lower A-arm bolt to get this thing fixed, and well, I tell you what, Polaris sure is proud of their parts. Anyway, got this thing fixed on the side of the trail, 8 o'clock at night, dark, a little over 10,000 feet elevation, wind was starting to blow, it was getting cold. So we started heading out of there, and he came in with practically a bone stock Tundra. A little bit of lift on it, just some oversized tires, but not like an off-road aggressive tire or anything. And that Tundra killed it. If you've ever ran the Morrison Jeep Trail, or you know anybody that has, or you've read about it or seen pictures of it, look it up. Look it up if you don't know anything about it, and look at what that trail is. And Andrew killed it in that Tundra. I was so impressed by what that truck did. Going all the way back in there and back out. When we came back out in the dark, it was just pitch black. You get in the trees like that, you can't see anything outside of the tree. Awesome job by Andrew. Thank you again for Keith and Pam and your friends and family and the other machine that helped me out and get us out of there. I hope everything. Hey, Casper. So I'm looking forward to running the Morrison Jeep Trail again in the near future, hopefully, before the snow sets in. Run the whole trail this time, catch the switchbacks, catch the Clarks Fork River on the south end of it. It's going to be great. So in the meantime, if you've ever wanted to run it, do it. If you're interested in coming to Montana and check this thing out, or Wyoming, absolutely do it. I think it's a great trail, and this is why we love where we live. We hope to see you out on the trail. God bless you.